Cambodia.
Right.
Yeah.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Cambodia. So nice place. Look at there. There's a boating also. But that is a different boating company. This is far from the palace.
Ai còn thằng kia tiền mến hai cái bạn
Guys, we are here again in the Baywalk in Noria Island with our aunt from Canada and uncle.
We crossed the bridge. We're on the island then, right?
Yeah, this is
So
island.
where's the market?
So nice. Smell good, right? No?
No.
No smell?
Maka-date ka gali. Dali mo ako.
No. Yeah.
Dali kita date.
Mmm. Dating place. It's nice to do exercise here.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Walking. There's so many people doing jogging every morning,
Yeah.
even evening time here.
Ano friends na hindi kita friends sa ganyan.
What is that? It's a colorful noodles.
Buy this and then you get that
Oh.
You know what I hate is there's no price. Balik na ko nung kita pastor.
Oh, here.
Ako'y runtana.
You can go up here. Yeah.
My burger house. That's the good one.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Noria Baywalk. So beautiful during at nights. During at night, so many good, views.
Picturean yang ang mic kay may migo siya nga mic siya nga bangon yung may-ari siya niya.
Ah,
Gustuhan.
yeah.
Amo na
Gusto si Mike's Burger sa Cambodia.
kita nag-construct naman sila sa
Buildings.
Hindi na kita, lapit na kita, layo pa.
Yeah, yeah, you're just there.
Ah,
Raining, right?
Yeah, just finished raining and the people come enjoy picnic. Look at that. So many people. Yeah, they really like picnic. It's relaxing. And they want to eat something there.
They can eat their own food. They can
Yeah, a
buy
lot of
it.
foods. Anyway, are you eating also duck embryo?
Duck embryo.
Yeah?
What?
Yeah, but
No, that's enough for me.
yeah.
I like crickets.
Crickets? They have there. Have you been eating crickets?
And maggots.
Nuggets? Oh,
no.
so you're so brave.
It's good protein.
Protein.
Ganaon ka sila, Pastor?
I didn't eat that.
Oh, no.
I did not eat that. So they really enjoy now.
Hari rin sa...
Everybody.
Yeah,
Hari ganyan sa
yeah,
kasama.
shadow na.
There's a lot
Yeah.
of people now.
Yeah.
I told these kids have to go to school tomorrow.
Oy, una kong ba?
Oh, yeah. So many now. Yeah. Look at them. Yeah. Almost. This park is good. So many people coming for picnic. They really enjoy.
Yeah, I can't believe all the people.
The ground is dry already.
It's late though. Don't they have to go to work and go to school?
That's okay for the,
It's okay.
yeah,
And it's getting humid now.
yeah, a little bit. What time is it now?
9:45.
Oh,
Wow.
still a lot of people coming.